Hello and welcome to another painting video on my channel. Today we'll be painting on popsicle sticks. You could take a regular canvas or paper to paint on, but if you like you could paint on popsicle sticks or anything else you like. For this painting I haven't decided what colors I wanted, so I just take random colors and use them. This color combination, I have never painted these colors together before, so it was exciting for me. I mix white with purple and mix blue color in purple to make it more cooler. I take some white color and red, purple and yellow and orange and green as well. I make this pink color by mixing red and white, and I mix white and yellow to make color for moon because I have already decided that I would add a moon in the painting. I mix white and blue and this green color to create this sea green color. I start up with purple color and make it more lighter with white as I move upwards. Now I take the sea green color and use it randomly on the sky. And on one side I blend this color with purple, and on the other side I blend this color with Persian blue color. I know this sea green color looks more towards blue tone in video, but it's more green than what it seems. Now blend all the colors that we put it on the painting. I take the pink color and use a bit of white color with that pink as well. Add a bit of more sea green color. And now I take phthalo blue color and Persian blue color and add the color where I want the area to be dark. Use a bit of black with it as well if it isn't dark enough, and blending that color out. By blending those colors, sea green color just disappeared, so I took sea green color again and added it where I wanted it to be. I also use a bit of light color on sea green color, which is yellow and white. Now take pink color and make really fluffy clouds out of it. While creating clouds, if you could also blend them out a little bit, they would look good. For adding a bit of dimension in cloud, I take track red paint and use it on cloud. And for highlight, you could also use white color and more lighter pink color. I just added a bit of orange here and blend that color out. I also added a bit of pink in that orange. Now I diluted a bit of blue color with white and loaded it in my brush, and then used another brush and splattered the paint to create stars. For moon, I used white and yellow color. The white looks real plain, so I used the yellow color to make it a bit warm. And for adding details in the moon, I used brown color. It is optional to add details, but I went ahead and added details in moon. For silhouette, if you just draw the shape of silhouette first and then fill in the silhouette with paint, it works better this way than just painting the silhouette. For silhouette, I used the black paint. and the painting is done. Hope that you enjoyed the process, and leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos.